Hey guys, it's Henry here again. How you all doing? Okay, today I'll be talking about Forsage or Forsage, whichever. But I know you understand what I'm saying. Okay, a lot of people have been telling me to quickly do a review on Forsage and to talk about it, if it is a legit platform or not. Okay, this past week I've been doing a lot of research. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos from professionals, and I think I've come up with a conclusion. Now, I can't say right now that Forsage is a scam, because really what they are doing is nice, although it poses to be Ponzi. It poses to be a Ponzi scheme rather, because you have to refer people to get paid. Okay, like I said, I won't say Forsage is a scam, and because from what I've seen so far, they are really doing a good job. It is based on the blockchain, which makes it a little bit legitimate, and also it is a peer-to-peer platform, a decentralized means of transaction. Do you understand? So it's not as if they have one account whereby everyone pays in the money to their account and they dish out the profits from their own account. So it's not like that. Now, I believe you all know USI Tech. You might have heard of USI Tech. USI Tech was big at that time. It was a cryptocurrency platform whereby you invest a particular amount of money, and within a space of month end they give you the incentive, the profits. Now we all know that USI Tech ran away with a lot of people's money. So now, one thing that makes Forsage different, and I believe a little bit legitimate, is because it is a decentralized means of transaction. It's a peer-to-peer means of transaction. Do you get me? And it is based on the blockchain. So this makes it a little bit, will I say, let's say 60%, 70% legitimate, and it is working. A lot of people are getting paid from Forsage or Forsage. You understand what I'm talking about? So a lot of people are being paid. So it is a working platform. Now, if you are new to Forsage, and probably you've heard testimonies from some people, you've watched a lot of people telling you how they made $40,000, $50,000, $400 and something thousand dollars from Forsage, and you want to jump into it because of those testimonies, I would advise you to just calm down. That is not how it works. Now, if you check, most of these people that have made this much money from Forsage, if you check, most of them are influencers or team builders. Now I'll explain that. For instance, if you're an influencer, let's say you have over 100k or 50k followers on Instagram, and let's say for instance you now introduce Forsage to your followers. Out of that 50k followers, let's say for instance 2k or 5k people registers on Forsage through your link. Imagine how much you will make. So these people that are making big money from Forsage are influencers and team builders. Do you get me right now? So if you do not have people in your database, you are not this kind of a person that is an influencer that have a lot of people that you can introduce Forsage to, I won't still say you shouldn't go into it, but don't expect to make that huge amount of money you are seeing people talk about. Do you get me? So I believe Forsage will stand the test of time because it is based on the blockchain network. Are you getting me? And it's a decentralized means of transaction. So it's not as if Forsage has a particular account whereby we are paying them the money. So they are not running away with your money. It's a peer-to-peer. When I refer you, the money you pay, you're paying it directly to me. So it's just like a referral thing. But although, like I said, it poses to be a Ponzi scheme. because we all know how Ponzi works. Ponzi works based on referrals. Do you understand me? So, but I believe Forsage is legit. So if you want to go into Forsage, yeah, you can go into Forsage. And if you have a lot of people in your database, if you're an influencer, wow, you will make it big time. And again, if you are not an influencer, you don't have a lot of people in your database, and you have a friend who is an influencer and who has a lot of people in his or her database, now you can introduce Forsage to that friend. That friend will register through your link. Then if that friend starts bringing people, you will be the upliner, and you will definitely make money from the thousands and thousands of people that friend is going to introduce. Do you understand? So this is how Forsage works. So for now, I will still give them a thumbs up. It's working. It's okay. I give it 60-70% approval, because one, it is based on the blockchain network. Two, it's a decentralized. We all hear of decentralized. Bitcoin is a decentralized. There's no boss anywhere. It's not run by a company or someone that is taking the whole. You understand? So it's a peer-to-peer means of transaction. So that's why it is legitimate. Okay, so that's basically everything about Forsage. To me, it's cool. It's a nice platform. I haven't registered yet, but I just felt like doing this video for those who are anxious, who are optimistic. So I will also register. If I have registered now, I would have told you to click the link below to register, but I haven't registered. But definitely I will register. So if I have made sense, please click the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also click the bell button to always get notified whenever I post a new video. So that is that on Forsage. Thank you very much.